Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Canva to create beautiful designs and how to make money with that design you have created. You don't have to be a professional graphic designer or a Photoshop guru to start making money as a graphic designer. Canva is a great tool for you to start your graphic design journey and start making money from it before you even become a pro. So in this video, that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can do that. So I would like you to watch this video to the end so that you can get the full information. Don't forget, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Canva and how to make money with Canva. So what I'll be using to do example in this tutorial is YouTube thumbnail. So to quickly get a template for that, I'm going to search YouTube thumbnail, and mind you, you can create from scratch. I'm going to show you how to tweak the template and how to create scratch. So make sure you go to the end. I'm going to thumbnail. That's YouTube thumbnail. You can search for, and now we have gotten the YouTube thumbnail. So let's search for some thumbnail that are available there. So these are the templates we have for YouTube thumbnail. There are lots of templates here that you can choose from to quickly create a YouTube thumbnail. So I'm using a Pro Canva account, and I can also give it to you as a gift, and because I've already given some Pro Canva account 1 year access to some of my subscribers. So if you are my subscribers and you haven't received your 1 year access to your Canva Pro account, you can message me on WhatsApp with the number you are seeing on the screen right now. And if you are a new if you are a newcomer to my channel, you can also message me on that WhatsApp account. But before you message me on that WhatsApp account, you must be my subscriber. So I'm giving a Pro Canva account 1 year access to my subscribers. So if you need that also, you can message me, but you have to be my subscriber first. Let me choose one of these templates to do example. You can actually choose anyone you like, but I would like to choose this one right here. Yes, and here we are. This is a template for one of the design you can create from scratch by yourself. You can see what they actually do to make this beautiful and wonderful design is that they added this image, they added some text here with different fonts, and which you can also change to anything you want if this is not your own default design. This is your default design, right? But if this is not what you want, you can actually change many things here. So let's say this, you want to add an image to this design, you want to remove this and add an image. Many of you usually have that problem because the image you are bringing, it have a background, and you don't know how to remove the background and add it to your design. So this is just what you are going to do if you are the kind of person that is having this issue. So let me quickly resolve that. We go to another tab. For example, you want a laughing guy, you want to add a laughing guy to your YouTube thumbnail. Let's just search for laughing guy. You can just happy guy on Google. You search for happy guy on Google to get an image of an happy guy. Go to images. You can see these are example of happy guys. Just choose, you download any of these and you remove the background. Let me choose one of these. Let's choose this one. You know, so many YouTube thumbnail, that is exactly what they are doing, if you have been noticing it. So I'm going to press on it and download image. Yes, download. Now you go to this side, remove BG. I've already been there before. Remove BG, remove background. And that website, remove this background. This is the website. You just click on upload. You upload the image that you've downloaded from Google to this website, and you remove the background immediately. Don't forget, you are trying to replace the image in Canva, in the Canva design we are working on. You see, it has removed the background, then you download it again. So it has been downloaded. So you are going back to Canva, and you click on this image. When you click on it, this icon below here which says replace, you can replace the image with the image downloaded from Google and which you have removed the background. Mind you, if you don't remove the background, the image will not look good on your design. So you need only the image without the background. So you upload the image which I've downloaded from remove.bg. So you click on the upload button. These are the list of what I've uploaded before. I'm going to upload that one right now. So download. I'm trying to get the file in my phone, and this is just it right here. So as you can see, I have positioned it to the perfect way I want it to be. And if it is that this color combination is not what you want the design to be, I'm just tweaking this template to show you some things. I'm going to show you how to create from scratch, and if this video is going to be too long, I won't do that right now. You have to watch another video in my channel that I've uploaded, how to create from scratch. But this is a perfect place to start as a beginner. So just stay tuned. There are lots of things you're going to get from this video. See, I don't want this color combination. You know, we have yellow here, we have white here, and some other color here, but I want the color combination to be with the color of this man that I uploaded. Kindly watch how I'm going to do that. You click on the image. Once you click on the image, you store those bars below here. You store them. Then click on more. Are you seeing it? And when you click on more, there is a tool here. Look at this. This tool. You can see it. You click on it to change all the color combination. Can you see? It will be twisting the colors for you to get the perfect one that you want. Can you see? It's twisting it. And you can be clicking it to get the perfect color you want. So I can see it is changing those colors to the color to the colors on the man, what the man is wearing, the color of the hair, the color of the face. And if that's not what you actually want, also if none of the colors is attractive to you, there's another way you can do it. I'm showing this to you if you don't want to be changing the colors one by one. Like I click on this text right now, I want to change the color. I click on another text, change the color, but I want it to change instantly, automatically, everything to change automatically. There's another way you can also do that. Click on this plus icon, you scroll all these icons below, and you click on more. You know, the first time you click on the image, but now we are not clicking on the image. You can see what I did at that place. So it will bring you to this place to change the color palettes of your design. So you can choose from any of these color palettes. Let me just choose this one right here. You know, if you choose any color palette, it has its own template also. You will see how it's going to change the entire color of the design right now. It's kind of a little bit slow, but yes, you are going to see what I'm saying. Do you see how it changes? This is the color palette I choose down here. I can actually choose another one. You can see as I choose another one, it changes. I still want to choose another one because I don't like this one also. And this is how you can be changing the color of your design and to fit what actually you want. So that's just how you're going to be doing that. Now let me quickly show you something else you should know. There is a way to make money with this little design that you've just done. At least they're going to pay you $10 per design, and the website that you can quickly use to make that amount of money per design is Fiverr. You might have heard about Fiverr before. Fiverr is a great place to start making money as a beginner. So you go to fiverr.com, you create an account there. It's now what you cannot do right now. You can actually go to Canva.com right now, create account there, and you create the gig. The gig is called thumbnail. So for this video to be too long, giving you the hints on what you're supposed to know. There are lots of tutorials concerning this Canva design. This is just a preamble. I just give you some tips for you to understand the basic designs. So we're going to drop another video probably by tomorrow. So I would like you to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to receive notification whenever I posted the video tomorrow. I'm going to give you 1 year access to a pro Canva account. So if that's what you're also interested in, you can message me on WhatsApp. And please subscribe to my channel. I love you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.